We're going to be clean finishing the armhole for the Victory tank. This would be step 31 for view B. I've already clean finished one side, and now we're going to do the other one. You're going to start from the bottom and roll all the way up. Kind of make a nice smaller roll all the way till you get to the top. At this point, you're going to want to open up the main and the lining so the wrong sides are laying down and the right sides are up, leaving the roll in the middle. So now that you have it here, you're going to want to flip your lining, keeping the majority of the roll right in the middle. You're going to first pin here at the shoulder seam. Making sure that the roll in the middle is squished inside and not being caught within the seam allowance. Now you're just going to want to continue your way around, right sides together, pinning the armhole on both sides. I worked my way around and pinned the front and the back armhole. I'm going to sew it at 3/8 of an inch and then clip the seam allowances. So you can see here, the armhole has been sewn and clipped. So now the fun part will be to turn this right side out. You're going to be pulling the full tank through this little strap. So just gently put your arm inside and turn to the right side. One of the reasons I suggest using a rayon slippery lining like a Bemberg lining is so that when you get to this part, you can easily pull through. Or, you know, maybe not easily, but at least it's a little bit easier than if you're using a bulkier fabric. So there you have it. You've pulled through your armhole and both are clean finished and you're ready to do some understitching.